Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Invermere, British Columbia, a charming town nestled in the heart of the Columbia Valley. Known for its stunning natural beauty and welcoming community, Invermere is a perfect destination for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. The town is situated on the northwest shore of Windermere Lake, offering breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. The mining and forestry industries once thrived in this area. Today, Invermere is a hub for outdoor enthusiasts, offering activities such as hiking, biking, and water sports in the summer, and skiing and snowmobiling in the winter. The nearby Radium Hot Springs provides a relaxing retreat known for its mineral-rich waters and stunning mountain backdrop. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors, immerse yourself in the local culture, or simply enjoy the friendly vibe, Invermere invites you to experience its unique charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Invermere, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.